How to see deleted messages on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can see deleted messages on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to see deleted messages on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all on Snapchat, let's say you come to the chat feed and maybe you basically just send a text to someone over here and then you just go ahead and send them a specific text here. But then, and maybe the text has already been deleted, what do you do if you want to view the deleted messages? One thing I want you to understand is that Snapchat was built for privacy reasons and security reasons, which means that the messages get deleted right after viewing them, they disappear from the chat feed, and also the snaps can also be only viewed once, and that is why it is actually called Snapchat. It was built for privacy reasons, so once it's basically deleted, there's no way you can see them from within the chat itself. But there is still one more thing that we can do, and to do this, first of all, tap the Bitmoji avatar from the top left here to come to this page, then tap the gear icon to come to settings over here, as you would be able to find it. Once you come to settings, scroll down to the bottom, select this option called My Data. Once you select My Data, it might ask you to log into your Snapchat account. Now we just have to download the data, right? And if you look closely over here, we have this option known as chat history. So basically what this does is that even our chat history, such as our snap history, our chat history, my AI talk history, are all also going to get downloaded. Though you might not see them within the Snapchat app, it might take a couple of time, so you can just turn off all of the other things because we only want our chat history to load up, right? We will just uncheck all of this. Once we've done this, we only want our chat history, so we'll just select next and we'll enter our email address. Once we enter our email address, we'll receive the file within our email address and we can view all of the chat history as well. So this way only you'll be able to find deleted messages on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.